Hey everyone! Today is a special day because we're unboxing some magic from Litehouse. First up, we have these solar paneled fairy lights, which I think are going to just light up my life, especially with Christmas season coming. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have an LED lamp, which is perfect for load shedding or those camping trips. Now to unbox the star of the show, Litehouse Festum Bulb String Lights. They are the perfect load shedding light solution that are powered by solar panels, child-friendly, and weather and waterproof, meaning they can withstand storms and still light up your garden. Their packaging is sleek and sturdy. You can really tell that Litehouse values quality right from the start. Now, let's take a look at these lights. The attention to detail is impeccable. Premium quality that's immediately noticed. Whether it's the texture, design, or build, Litehouse does not miss a beat. The gadgets included in the box allow for easy installation. You can either pop it into the ground or clip it in your garden. The light bulbs are shatterproof and can withstand any weather condition. I can't wait to set these up and have more summer nights and beaming lights in my garden.